How to use SurveyMonkey. Hello and welcome to our channel, Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use SurveyMonkey. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser and kindly enter surveymonkey.com. Or you can simply enter on Google SurveyMonkey and kindly click the first link that come up, in which upon clicking on it, you will be directed in here. And if you don't know anything about this platform, you can scroll down and find the description of this platform. So basically, SurveyMonkey is an online survey platform that enables individuals and organizations to create, distribute, and analyze surveys. It also provides a user-friendly interface and a range of features that can make easy to design survey, collect responses, and gain valuable insights from the data gathered. And you can also find a template library in here that you can compare features with racial equity and for future of work. It also says here that over 17 million active users worldwide are already joined in this platform. And in this platform, it also offers different kind of plan that can works for you. And as you can see below, the three plans such as basic, individual advantage, and team advantage. In which by choosing the basic plan, your benefit is to send unlimited surveys with up to 10 questions and response limits apply. While for individual advantage plan, it has a corresponding price of 1,169 pesos per month, in which with this plan, you can get out most popular features for creating, sending, and analyzing surveys. While the next plan that they offer is the Team Advantage plan, with each corresponding price of 920 pesos per users per month, and you can start at 3 users bill annually. And with this plan, you can have a collaboration tools and survey features that help your team work more efficiently. Well, if you scroll down below, you will see other details about this platform, such as if you're looking for target responses to your survey, you can click the Learn More button, in which it will help you to get responses you need in minutes with SurveyMonkey audience. And aside from that, you can also choose to start an expert written template, in which if you don't want to start from scratch, you can just simply choose by any of this free template. And as you can see below, there are a variety of survey type, such as for customer, education, employees, events, healthcare, market research, nonprofit, and many more. In which on the right side panel, you will see some of the lists of the design of each template. We have here a product testing survey, employee engagement survey, and many more. And now that you know about the SurveyMonkey platform and the services and the plan that they offer, you can now start creating your account for free. In which in this kind of plan, I'm gonna choose the basic plan. So just proceed by clicking the sign up button, in which upon clicking on it, you will be directed in here. And from here, you can create an account using your email address or sign up using your Microsoft, Facebook, LinkedIn, Google, and Apple ID. But if you already have an account, you can just proceed by clicking the login button. And after entering your email address, you can now start by checking these boxes and proceed by clicking the next button. And after that, the next thing that you need to do is to create your own password. Make sure that you create a strong and unique password, which is a mix-up of uppercase, lowercase, letters, or numbers. And proceed by clicking Create Account button. And after that, you will be directed in here, in which on the homepage of SurveyMonkey, you have 2 choices to get started, such as to start from scratch or use the starter survey. And if you scroll down below, you will see some of the free templates that you can choose to start your survey. And if we click on this template, you will see the title, the short description, the number of questions it contains, and the number of times it has been used. And on the left side panel, you will see the preview design of this specific template. And if you want to use this template, kindly scroll down and select Use this template. Now going back to the homepage of surveymonkey.com, you will see on the top panel some of the options that you can navigate, such as this homepage and plans and pricing, in which upon clicking on Home, it will enable you to explore the homepage of this platform. And you might explore this option in order to create your own survey. And on the top panel, if you choose Plan and Pricing option, it will show you some of the plan that you can select in order to create a survey, which is divided into 3 different kind of category, such as team plans, individual plans, and enterprise. And each category contain a sub-category, such as for team plans that have a team advantage, team premier, and enterprise. But if you want to create now a survey, you can proceed by clicking the Create Survey button on the top panel, in which upon clicking on it, you will be directed in here. And you have option to start from scratch or start from template. And in this video, I'm gonna choose Start from Scratch. And from here, all you need to do is to fill out the required information, such as the survey title, the survey category, and check the boxes that you prefer under Advanced Settings. So my title for the survey is Favorites, and its category is Quiz. And now proceed by clicking Create Survey, in which from here, you can import question for your convenience in adding a question to your survey. Let's say I'm gonna type here, what is your favorite animal? And click Add one question. And from here, you will see that we have now our first question. And if you want to add more question, you can simply copy and paste this question. So just click the copy button and copy the question. And after that, you can now start editing the second or duplicate question. So for the second question, I'm going to choose or enter, what is your favorite color? And after that, just proceed by clicking the Save button. And now as you can see, we have now the 2 different kind of question in our survey. But if you want to design or change the format of your survey, you can do that by exploring on the left side panel option under the Design Survey, in which you can change the format and you can add more elements to the survey. You can even add your company logo, a page title, or add any recommended question. But if you are now done adding question in your survey, you can now start by clicking the Preview Survey, in which upon clicking on it, you will be directed in here. And from here, you will see the 2 questions that we just create. And you can also change the device view, such as if you want to view on tablet, on desktop, or on your mobile phone. And if you are now satisfied, you can now proceed by clicking the Next button, which is located on the top right corner, and explore some of the options such as collect responses, analyze results, and present results. So that is just how to use SurveyMonkey. Thank you.